Hey guys, so this week's episode is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be showing you some things to do outside of Las Vegas. So you might be wondering, why am I talking about Las Vegas? Well, if you haven't noticed, your coast to coast lifestyle, that's exactly what my goal is for you, is to navigate not just the real estate market in Seattle and Miami. However, maybe you've also been considering relocating to another marketplace. Maybe your job has finally allowed you to work remotely and you're curious about investing or buying in another marketplace, or just flat out relocating. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in knowing more about, then stick around for this week's episode and for future episodes just like this. I will be highlighting New Orleans in the coming weeks, as well as Mardi Gras. Who doesn't know about Mardi Gras? Now, this week's episode, I am going to be talking about things to do outside of Las Vegas, specifically the Las Vegas Strip. Maybe you're like me, and when you think about Las Vegas, you're thinking about casinos, gambling, popping bottles, going out to nightclubs. Yeah, sure, there's a lot of that going on in Las Vegas, aka Lost Wages, which is, more, I guess, is the nickname that most people think of when they're flying over there. However, it's not just about gambling, casinos, etc. There's actually a lot to do outdoors. So if you like hiking, you like camping, then you're gonna love this week's video. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So this week, I had the opportunity to actually go around with some local tour guides, my friends, Bianca Diaz, who is a Las Vegas real estate agent, as well as my buddy, Rob Sitman, who is also a real estate broker in Las Vegas, originally from Los Angeles. So I really was curious, what is the real estate market like, and what do locals like to do in Las Vegas?
Downtown Summerlin, baby. Got the ballpark right there. You have Red Rock Hotel, which has a really cool pool. You can pay to get in as a local. I think it's like $20. Don't quote me. I always get in for free.
Gotcha.
But you won't get in for free. Maybe you will. I don't know. Cut that out. Sounded so bougie. So they do have quite a few restaurants here. You have the beach ball pasta I got for you. You remember last time you were here?
Oh yeah. Oh,
so
the beet ball.
Beet ball pasta. I got it from Lazy Dog. You can bring your dog there. We went there twice already.
Yeah.
We've eaten there twice. So this is like shopping, dining, entertainment here. A lot of people want to live in Summerlin because you're close to the new ballpark, newish now. And then you have Red Rock close by, which we're gonna see today.
That's right.
And we're going the wrong way.
This week, we're going to be focusing on things to do outside of Las Vegas Strip. And come along with us as we navigate and trek through Red Rock. Where are we going, guys?
Red Rock.
Red Rock.
Hopefully, we gotta make reservations now, so let's see.
Which was a lot more, no, I shouldn't say complicated. We did get off the beaten path a little bit and get lost. And it, although very sunny, was very chilly in the wind. So you'll see me kind of like in my tank top. However, lots to do outside of the Las Vegas Strip. I was really pleased. And to be honest, I could see myself living there, definitely. Probably not, so close to the Strip. However, knowing that there's the convenience if I ever do want to go out or something like that. Not to mention, there's a lot to do. I went karaokeing with some other friends. So if you like to karaoke like me and you like the private rooms where you can go with a group of friends, you've got a lot of that. Obviously in other cities, there is that available as well. All right, we're leaving Summerlin. This is just called Summerlin, right? Downtown Summerlin. En route to Red Rock. Does anyone know the names of those mountains over there? Is that Red Rock, actually? Where? Ahead of us. Just like all these mountains ahead of us.
Sierra Nevadas.
Oh, those are, okay, Sierra Nevadas. That's right. We're gonna find some scorpions. You guys live here, obviously. You're in North Las Vegas, and then you're Summerlin. Oh, so you're like right here. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's my backyard.
I love it.
This is your backyard, and so we're gonna show a couple of shots of like walking around here.
Yeah.
What I gathered on our way over here. What do you like about living in this area?
Everything's super close. Shopping, entertainment,
Okay.
yoga studios, UPS stores, barber shops. Like there's like 4 of them.
Nice.
Red Rock.
Red
yeah,
Rock.
Red Rock.
Yeah, and then you're right on the foothills of the mountain, which is great.
Because
Yeah.
it's like less than 20-minute drive, or
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's right next to the 215 freeway, so it's easy to get to the Strip or wherever.
yeah, nice. Okay, yeah, that's like super accessible. And then obviously you're how far away from the Strip right now?
Everything is about 20, I would say like 30 to 35, maybe 40 minutes from the Strip, because the city was built around the Strip. The Strip is like the epicenter of the city, and everyone just wanted mountain views, right? You gotta
Yeah.
think about how they were expanding.
Today we're focusing right here local, close to Las Vegas, however not Las Vegas Strip. So here comes our food. Which,
Show that
let me get
food.
that. So really good food. We went to a place called True Food. Amazing grass-fed burger. I don't even think, yeah, there was cheese on it, which is a must for me. It was delicious. And my friend Bianca, who's vegan, she had lots of, vegan pizza options. And then my buddy Rob as well. It was really, really good. So tons to do in Las Vegas outside of just gambling and going out. I'm really excited to share that with you guys this week. If you have any questions, drop a note in the comments, and feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you like more videos just like this. So, Red Rock, amazing, amazing place. Definitely, challenging, and it could be less challenging. We actually saw somebody taking professional photos out there for their wedding, so that was really nice. As I said, you have a lot of things to do outside of gambling. So, next time you're in Las Vegas, or if you're curious about maybe moving out there, definitely do yourself a favor. Check out Red Rock Canyon, and definitely downtown Summerlin. If you like to shop, or if you just like really good food, I mean, there's so many options down there. So if you have any questions, let me know. Catch you in the next video.
You're like a circle that floats around.